Can you soundproof a brick wall? Yes, absolutely. First of all, you must sound deaden that brick wall, especially if it's a single brick wall. Try and think of that brick wall like a ringing drum cymbal. That brick wall is resonating and we need to put our hand on it, so we need to sound deaden that brick wall. And how we do that is by applying things like rubber, viscoelastic membranes, mass-loaded vinyls, products that will be applied to that brick wall which sound deaden that wall, that stop it resonating. By applying sound insulation materials to that wall, materials which sound find it difficult to transmit through, will reduce the noise transmitting through that brick wall. Now, after you sound deaden the wall, depending on how much space you have available will determine the amount of layers of sound insulation you can apply to that brick wall. The more layers of sound insulation you apply to that brick wall, the more reduction in noise you will achieve. Also, the amount of different interlocking layers you can apply to that brick wall will also determine the amount of reduction in noise you will get.